Hello students, welcome to the Sapna's Homeschooling YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a poem English workshop. First question is, read the following bits of advice and state whether you agree or disagree with them. नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो, ह्या प्रश्नाला सोडवण्यापूर्वी जर नवीन असाल चॅनलला तर नक्की सबस्क्राइब करा, बेल आयकॉन दाबा. आणि मी आहे सपना टीचर इन पुणे जिल्ह्यात नाही. तुम्ही कोणकोणत्या भागातनं माझा व्हिडिओ बघताय मला कळवा. So let's start to solve these questions answer. Advice. आपल्याला फक्त agree किंवा disagree सांगायचंय. Get angry when others commit mistakes. ते इथे disagree उत्तर आहे. Second आहे keep friendship with all classes of people. Agree. Run away from troubles. Disagree. Fourth, hate the rich people and help the poor. Disagree. Get angry when others blame on us. Disagree. And 6 is reconstruct something we have built with care even if it has been broken by others. Agree. Question number 2 is pick out and enlist the positive and negative qualities from the poem in the respective columns. So positive qualities आणि negative qualities आपल्याला इथे लिहायच्या आहे कवितेमधल्या. Keep your head is positive quality and negative quality is lose your head आहे. So in this way, keep your head, trust yourself, be truthful, be smart, positive qualities. Lose your head, doubt, this is D. Doubt others, deal in lies, give way to hating. Yeah, negative qualities are here. Question 3, why do the lines in the poem begins with if you can dash dash? What effect does this have? Answer liya. The lines in the poem begin with if you can because the poet insistently wants to emphasize the importance of his good advice and attract his son's attention to every piece of advice given by him. The repetition of the line has musical effect. Question 4. Look at the use of opposite reactions in the poem. For example, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs, find 4 other such opposite reactions from the poem. Note them down in your notebook. इथे आपल्याला काय करायचंय की एक्झाम्पल म्हणून आपल्याला जी लाईन दिली इफ यू कॅन कीप युअर हेड वेन ऑल अबाउट यू आर लुझिंग देअर, त्याच प्रकारे आपल्याला म्हणजे इथे डोकं शांत ठेव जरी दुसऱ्यांनी त्यांचा काय म्हणत आपलं लुझिंग देअर त्यांचं तरी संताप झाला, मनस्थिती बिघडली किंवा चिडले तरी तू मात्र तुझं मन किंवा डोकं शांत ठेव. या 2 विरोधी लाईन आहे, अशाच प्रकारच्या लाईन आपल्याला इथे शोधून लिहायच्या आहेत. याचं उत्तर आहे इफ यू कॅन ट्रस्ट युअर सेल्फ वेन ऑल मेन डाऊट यू, इफ नीदर foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, or being hated don't give way to hating. Question 5, say what are the 2 impostors can the unforgiving minute be made up of? याचा आन्सर आहे what are the 2 impostors, triumph and disaster. Second है what can the unforgiving minute be made up of? आन्सर लिया 60 seconds worth of a distance run. Say who should go trust when doubted? Yourself. Answer yourself है who can you talk with and walk with? The crowd say when can the earth become yours? When we can make good use of every single minute. उत्तर आहे. Second, when should you start rebuilding with old tools? The answer लिया when you watch the thing you gave your life to broken. D, say why do knaves twist the truth to make a trap for fools? Why should you consider all men equally important? याचं उत्तर आहे because neither for nor friend can hurt us. Question 6 is what should be our attitude towards people of different strata and classes? याचं उत्तर लिहा our attitude towards the people of different strata and classes should be positive and fair. We should treat all of them equally. We should not discriminate them on the ground of race, gender or religion. Question 7. What according to Rudyard Kipling is the highest quality that makes a man a true human being? याचं उत्तर आहे According to Rudyard Kipling, treating all people equally without any discrimination is the highest quality that makes a man a true human being. सर्वांना समान वागणूक देणं, कोणामध्येही भेदभाव न करणं हीच खरी मानवता आहे आणि याच्यामुळेच एखादा माणूस हा खरा मानवतेचा दृष्टिकोन घेऊन असतो. Question 8. Identify the figures of speech used from those given in the bracket. First आहे, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs, antithesis, figure of speech. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, personification. Third, and yet don't look too good nor too wise, repetition. With own out tools, alliteration. Question 9. Write a letter to your parents, thanking them for advising you when you were in a confused state of mind. Cover up the following points in the body of the letter: your problems and confusion, the advice of your parents, how you followed their advice, how the problem got solved, your deep gratitude to them. Left hand side you have to write the address. First, Akanksha name, 10 KBP Girls Hostel Pune, 1st October 2020. Dear Ai Baba, I am extremely happy to write this letter and thank both of you for your good advice. Actually, when I joined the hostel, I was not willing to stay here any longer. I could not adjust to the environment and even with the girls here. If you had not advised me on this issue, I would have left the hostel long before, and my whole academic year would have gone wasted. Thank you very much for making me realize the importance of education and adjustment in life. Thank you once again for whatever you have done for me. Convey my regards to Grandma and love to little Diksha. Waiting for your next letter as early as possible. Your loving daughter, Akanksha. Question number 10. Draft a speech to be given during the farewell of Standard 10 on the topic changes I would like in school education of our state. Steps आहेत, म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, स्पीच ड्राफ्ट करायचंय, जे जसं काही तुम्ही 10वीचा सेंड ऑफचा कार्यक्रम आहे आणि त्यावेळी तुम्ही देताय की काय काय बदल शाळेच्या शिक्षणात व्हायला पाहिजे, एकूणच स्कूल एज्युकेशन इन स्टेट आपल्या राज्यातील शिक्षण पद्धतीमध्ये काय काय बदल व्हायला पाहिजे त्याबद्दल तुम्ही सांगताय, स्पीच देताय. ग्रीटिंग अँड सॅल्युटेशन करायचं सुरुवातीला, सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन अँड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द टॉपिक, स्वतःची ओळख आणि स्वतःच्या टॉपिक बद्दल सुरुवात सांगायची आहे. कॅची थॉट एपिसोड न्यूज टू स्टार्ट विथ, सुरुवातीलाच एकदम कॅची म्हणजे एकदम लक्ष लोकांचं जाईल असं सुरुवात करायची. 2-3 चेंजेस दॅट यू सजेस्ट विथ देअर रिझन, तुम्ही बदल सांगायचे पण त्याच्या कारणांसहित बदल सांगायचे. कंक्लुजन द्यायचे शेवटी आणि थँक्स बोलायचे, ग्रीटिंग्स द्यायचे. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला स्पीच ड्राफ्ट करायचे. Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Akanksha. आता इथे तुम्ही तुमचं नाव लिहू शकता. And I am glad to tell you that I have studied in this school since standard 1st. Now the time has come for me to leave school on this occasion. I take opportunity to express my views about the changes in the school education of our state. Education should give us practical sense and enable us to lead a worthy life. It should be skill-based and not just theory, which is the focus of education today. I also wish that sports or some kind of indoor games must be compulsory for every student. Let the performance in sports or games be graded and the grades must appear in the report card of the board examination. Both the body and the brain of most students need vigorous exercise in these times. So, my good friends, I hope that some positive changes will occur in education by the time you prepare for your board examination. I wish you all the best luck in life. I also thank all my teachers who have not only taught me school subjects but have also guided me in life. Goodbye. So in this way we have finished all the questions answered. If you like this video, please like it and share to your friends and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.